Hello everyone. Start off by tying a ponytail, add a rubber band at the top, add a rubber band in the middle and then roll the hair in on itself. Once more add a rubber band in the middle and once more roll it in on itself. Repeat this process until you reach the bottom. This is what it should look like. Tie it up in place. For our next hairdo, add multiple rubber bands in the front of the hair as such. Add some hairspray at the back and then comb the hair into place. Take a section off the back and tie a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, make another section and tie another rubber band. Take one side and make two ponytails, make two braids, roll the braids upwards and then tie it into place. For our next hairdo, section off the top of the hair and make two braids out of it. Tie it together to make a bow-like shape. Add a hair stick that is decorative. Leave the rest of the braid. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then twist them one into the other. Once you are done with this, lift it up and then put it along the bow. Join them in the center at the back once more and insert it into place. Add a ribbon at the top to make it look all the more prettier. Make a bow-like shape out of this ribbon. Thank you for watching. Make 4 ponytails as such. Add multiple rubber bands to the lower portion and then tie it upwards. Take a bun stick and then roll the hair upwards. Roll it up to form a bun-like shape. Adjust the hair accordingly. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Add a rubber band in the middle out of part of the section of the ponytail and then roll it in on itself. Take the rest of the section of the hair and put it through this hole and lift it up. This will form a bow-like shape. Tie it into place. Adjust the bow accordingly. Add a decorative rubber band. Make 2 braids out of it. Start off by making a ponytail. Then take a bun stick, roll the hair upwards off the ponytail and then roll it up. Adjust the bun once you have created it. You may also include bobby pins in order to make it look all the more neater. You may also add a decorative rubber band once you are done, should you please to. You may also add a clip at the bottom. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair and then comb the hair in place. Take a section from the front of the hair and then add a rubber band to it. Add multiple rubber bands one underneath the other. Take a section of the hair from the rest of it and make a braid out of it. Tie a ponytail at the bottom and then braid it and then roll it upwards. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 2 portions, that is on one of the sides. Tie a rubber band to the bottommost portion and then the part after that. Tie it upwards and then form a braid out of it and roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. Thank you for watching.